the threat of lock bumping is real. Very real. With a key like this, a tool like this, and a bump like this, pretty much anyone can bump their way past ordinary security hardware. That means front doors, commercial doors, fences, gates. Locks everywhere can be bumped open by virtually anyone with little or no skill.
It's pretty easy. You just take the lock, put a key in it, hit it, and the lock opens.
And guess what? Bump keys are readily available for sale on the internet, along with videos on how to use them. Something else to consider. Because lock bumping leaves no evidence of forced entry, insurance claims for stolen property can actually be denied. Fortunately, strong protection is available with BumpStop Advanced Cylinder Technology from Master Lock.
Well, Master Lock is the leader in security, and like any company that's a leader, you've got to be an innovator. You've got to solve the latest need, the latest threat, and Master Lock does that.
BumpStop Technology is just the latest example of Master Lock's commitment to develop products that solve security threats, done with a purpose and intent that make them safer by design.
Safer by design is really our mission. It's what motivates us. It's who Master Lock is.
Available on a wide assortment of door hardware and padlocks from Master Lock and American Lock, BumpStop protection is so secure that it's been proven to exceed the highest ASTM test standards to bring more safety to its users. To put that in perspective, during testing, after 360 attempts, every professionally trained locksmith who tried couldn't bump open security hardware protected with BumpStop.
Lock bumping seems to be an issue of growing concern for architects. Very often architects are left holding the bag when it comes to liability concerns with safety in a building. So they will, for their own benefit, be thinking about security, but they also have a commitment to a client who has liability issues. My sense with BumpStop is, first of all, a reliability and familiarity of brand. Master Lock is obviously a company that architects are familiar and comfortable with. At the same time, the technology itself seems to me to be quite sophisticated.
I think that any property manager who studies security is going to be well aware of this risk, and they'll be glad to find that there's a solution. There have been so many court cases in which adequate protection was not provided to residents, which puts property managers at risk of liability. So I think ultimately this anti-bump technology is going to spread, and it'll be very well received by property managers who want to avoid liability and to do the best job possible for their facilities.
From retail to manufacturing, commercial buildings can also benefit from BumpStop technology. For keeping outsiders out and preventing employees from gaining unauthorized access, BumpStop is available in just about every type of security hardware.
So a commercial entity or an industrial user could specify not only the shackle clearance that they want, the BumpStop protection, weatherability, the type of lock body that they want, whether it be steel or brass or aluminum. So there's just a host of options that a security user could specify.
BumpStop, exclusively available on Master Lock and American Lock security hardware.
BumpStop, it's safer by design.
BumpStop, it is safer by design.